hungry, 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 hungry.
Coming. Every day you eat rice and curry, so I made today
Pasta. Thank you, Mom. Let's eat it.
try it and see. Yummy,
Very
ne?
tasty.
Yes.
My friends are there. It is very tasty. This tasty food is made by my lovely mom. And so I think I'm going to speak about my lovely mom today.
Me?
Yes, of course.
Let's see.
So tell hi to my friends.
Hi.
You know that my mom is Mrs. Tanya Kariwasan and she's a well-known teacher in Sri Lanka.
Thank you.
She's my first teacher in my life. She teaches me all the subjects except Tamil because she doesn't know Tamil.
That's true. I don't know Tamil well.
And she's a very kind and dear and a very busy woman because she always writes notes, always writing books and always typing in the computer. She is friendly with all my friends and very smart. She is friendly with all the children in her class. When my mom goes to my school or to my class, my old friends want to talk with her. She's a very beautiful woman. I like to go shopping with her because she buys my favorite food and favorite toys. She makes my favorite dishes like pudding, like biscuit puddings and everything what I like. And she doesn't know how much I love her like the world and a sky. So my friends, it's your turn to speak about your lovely mom. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon and press the like button. So then you will never miss any videos of mine. Bye. Mom, bring me some water please.
Okay, you need some water.
Yes.